how to get the Valentine's Day frame on your TikTok profile. So if you want to get the Valentine's Day frame on your TikTok profile, then here's what you need to do. First, you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application and you can go with your search and search for Valentine Day frame. And now you just need to simply scroll down where you have that frame on someone's profile. So tap on that. And once you tap on it, if you swipe up, if you swipe for the bio, then here you will have an option to get the Valentine's Day frame on your profile. Or you can also just go with the profile of that person. Once you go with the profile, if you find the heart-shaped icon on their profile, you can tap on the heart-shaped icon. And after tapping on the heart, then you'll reach to another page where you will have an option of get profile frame for Valentine's Day. And after tapping on it, you need to tap on add to profile and it will be added to your profile. So that's how you can get the Valentine's Day frame, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.